everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley. If you don't know me, thank you for tuning in. So as you can see by the title of this video, this is a giveaway. Yay! Who doesn't love giveaways? I love giveaways. So the reason why I'm doing this giveaway is because I need to do one. I haven't done one and I'm just so excited because I went shopping and I picked up some stuff for you guys. I picked some stuff for mom, but then I also picked up some things for you guys that I know you guys are gonna love and appreciate. So everything you're gonna be getting is right here. And I just want to say one little quick thing. Thank you so much. Thank you for everything, for your support and for your lovely comments. Not so thank you for your negative comments, just kidding. But thank you so much everyone for tuning in and for keep giving me all your love and support, and I really appreciate that. And this is kind of why I'm doing this giveaway. I just want to show a type of appreciation for everything, and yeah, I hope you enjoy and let's get started. So the first thing you want to know, what are the rules of this giveaway? It's very quick. I swear to God, very quick. So the rules of the giveaway is, number one, you have to be subscribed to my channel, and number two, give this video a like. Just click on it. Alright, I'll give you a moment. Just click. Did you click? Okay, there you go. You're entered. Yay! And third of all, just leave me a comment down below, which is how I know that you entered on the giveaway. So please make sure. I really want to do a Q&A video, but I really don't have any questions to be answered, I guess. So just leave me one of those, a suggestion comment about something I should put on my channel, or you would like to see, or something like that, and or question that you would like me to answer on a Q&A video, which is like something kind of easier for me to kind of do and sit down and you guys actually get to know me. I would really appreciate that. So those three little things: subscribe, like, and give me a comment down below about a question about me. What do you guys want to know, or a suggestion? Any of those three. And yeah, so let's get started. So the first thing you guys will be receiving is, one lucky winner is going to receive this beautiful bag that I picked up. I picked up one for myself, but I thought one for you too. It has this type of texture material. Let me put it close. It's very beautiful. It's for the beach, and I thought, why not? Summer's around the corner, right? Why not get a bag and fill it with a bunch of stuff inside? So the bag just has a little charm here, a little tassel and a little charm, and inside it has this kind of the material that it can actually get wet, so that's in there. And yeah, it's really nice. It will be great with a dress or anything like that. So you'll be receiving this. I have the plastic over there, so I just took it out for the video, and yeah, so excited. So I know this video is probably going to be so long, but I'm going to try to do it as fast as I can. The inside, there is a lot of stuff. So I'm just going to start picking out stuff, okay? So the first thing you'll be getting is this all over metallic powder set by Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. It's like this. It's very beautiful. I have one for myself. I don't know if I should open it. Should I open it? Okay. If you find that the box is broken, it's because my nail broke it. Everything's sealed, brand new. And it's this beautiful thing. Oh my God. Look at that, guys. So yeah, that's one of the things you're going to get. And it has all these different colors. Oh. All these different colors, as you can see. So let's put it back in here. The next thing you'll be getting is a Marc Jacobs Omega Glaze Illuminizer. And this, guys, these things are amazing. these things. This thing is amazing. It is an oversized seamless. It's glow time. Oh my god, here we go, another hour. So finally, after wrestling with the Marc Jacobs thing, you will be getting this beautiful, look at that color. Isn't that beautiful? You'll be getting this illuminizer. I don't want to touch it. It's brand new, hasn't been swatched. Come on guys, this is a great giveaway. So let's close that thing up. The next thing you will be getting is a Marc Jacobs Velvet Reality Instant Lash Volume Effortless Gel Liner and Epic Size. This beautiful thing. Let's open it real quick. And another one. Do real quick. It's this beautiful. Look at this design. This design is so pretty. I got one for myself. And it comes with, I'm just gonna open it real quick. Oh my god, guys. I swear to god, I was not prepared for this. It comes with a mascara. It comes with a beautiful pencil and an eyeshadow stick. I'm gonna roll it back in here. I'm sorry, it's not perfectly rolled because actually I just opened it. But just to show you guys, that's what you'll be getting. The next thing you'll be getting is a Marc Jacobs Sequins Glam Glitter Eyeshadow. So it's beautiful packaging. And let's open it. I'm just gonna open it to show you. I'm not gonna be swatching anything just because obviously this is for you, not for moi. But I just want to show you, so I'm sorry if I like scratch the box because my nails, but you guys understand I go with long nails. It's these two colors right here. Look at this, so pretty. These two colors right here, that's what you'll be getting. I only have two hands, so I'll just be showing you. This is the next thing you'll be getting. These are the colors. I'm not gonna open them because, way to go, Ashley. So these are the next colors you'll be getting. These are an Amored Marc Jacobs High Shine Nail Polish. These are these beautiful, beautiful colors. Perfect, some for the spring, some for the summer. Like this beautiful is great for the spring. And you're gonna get two more. You're gonna get these two also. This is a little darker than this one. It's just a tad bit darker. This one is Poison Apple and this one is Rita. But you'll be getting these two as well. The thing you're gonna get is this Shine a Light by Marc Jacobs. I love Marc Jacobs, guys. Look at their packaging. How can you not love it? So this is this beautiful color you're gonna be getting. I would love to swatch this to show you how beautiful and gold shimmery it is, but we're not gonna do that. But you'll be getting one of these. You'll be getting a Revlon lip tint in this color. You'll be getting another Revlon Kiss lip tint on this color, so you're gonna receive these two as well. I'll be also giving away a powder number 4 highlight brush. We could definitely use these two together and it will be beautiful. This is the Kat Von D. You can see everything is sealed, guys, so not to worry. Ashley's damaging. I'll probably damage like this part, but I'm not gonna open this one either. It's the 3 lip crayon collection, liquid lip crayon collection, and it's these 3 colors right there. It's these beautiful. I'm really trying to go as fast as I can. You're gonna get also a Revlon Color Stay eyeliner, wears up to 16 hours, and it is in the color Black Violet. It's very, very beautiful. I own one of these for myself, so this is why I'm giving it away. And finally, this is the Wet Look Marc Jacobs and Amoured High Shine Other nail polish, and this is like a black, you can see the difference, or like a deep blue. This is beautiful, guys. Maybe I should keep it for myself. This is beautiful. And you're getting one of these, which is my favorite. I have to show you guys this one. I just have to show you. This is the Marc Jacobs Iconic Frost Eye Palette that I picked up. Look at these colors. Look at the packaging and look at my nails. How beautiful that is. Look at these colors. That's what you'll be getting. Oh my god, look at that red one. Oh my god, did I just swatch it by accident? Oh my god. And look at that color, that green one. Ooh. I really, really love this. So that one's for you guys. Giving away is this Find the Good OG skincare product. It comes with the Good Guide. It comes with a bunch of good stuff to know for your face. And look how beautiful this packaging is. Guys, this is like amazing. Amazing. But it comes with Seed of Youth Serum. It comes with jojoba hydration day cream, and it comes with a daily facial cleaning cloth. This I personally use, so this is the reason why I got it for you guys, because I know you guys gonna love it. And if you don't, please let me know, but I know you're gonna love it. I know it. And so let's put this away. You'll be receiving all of this, and finally, lastly, you'll be getting these last two things that I forgot to mention. The Revlon lip, I think this is the lip tint extra violet in 290. This beautiful color. And then a highlighting illuminating stick on this beautiful color. It is on the color 210 Gold Light. It is very beautiful and it goes perfect with every skin tone. And yeah, so these are all the things you will be getting. So these are all the good stuff you're gonna get. Don't forget to give this video a like, to subscribe, and leave me a comment saying a suggestion or saying a question for you can help me do a Q&A video. So yeah, I will be announcing the winner on the description box down below, and you would have to come back to this video and check it because I have nowhere else to find it. But yeah, I'll be putting down there your username, your YouTube name, and yeah, it's gonna take me 2 weeks. So we are what are we? Today's the 28th. The 14th is the day that this video will be closing. So you have about 2 weeks. So yeah, I hope everyone has a great day and good luck to everyone. And remember that I love you guys and thank you so much. You're my pretty people. Oh my god, I just scratched myself. But thank you so much for all the love. Have a great day.